Running Google Ads campaigns can feel a bit like navigating a ship. You need a compass and other instruments to know if you're heading in the right direction. In the world of Google Ads, those instruments are your metrics. These numbers tell you how well your campaigns are performing and where you might need to make adjustments. Let's break down some of the core and important metrics you'll encounter. Conversions. Simply put, a conversion is a completed action that you've defined as valuable for your business. This could be anything from a customer making a purchase on your website, filling out a contact form, signing up for a newsletter, or even just viewing a key page on your site. Tracking conversions is fundamental because it shows you whether your ads are actually leading to the results you want. Without tracking conversions, you're essentially flying blind. Conversion rate. This metric takes the number of conversions and divides it by the total number of interactions people had with your ad, usually clicks. The result is expressed as a percentage. So, if you had 100 clicks on your ad and 5 of those clicks resulted in a sale, your conversion rate would be 5%. A higher conversion rate generally indicates that your ads and website are effective at turning clicks into valuable actions. It tells you how efficiently you are achieving your goals. ROI. ROI is a crucial metric for understanding the overall profitability of your Google Ads campaigns. It calculates the net profit you made from your ads relative to the amount you've spent. A positive ROI means your campaigns are generating more money than they cost, which is the ultimate goal for most businesses. ROAS. Similar to ROI, ROAS focuses specifically on the revenue generated for every pound you spend on Google Ads. For example, if you spend £100 on ads and those ads lead to £500 in sales, your ROAS would be 500% or 5x. ROAS helps you assess the immediate efficiency of your advertising spend in driving revenue. It's particularly useful for e-commerce businesses. Low click-through rate. CTR is the percentage of people who see your ad and then actually click on it. A low CTR indicates that a small proportion of those who see your ad are interested enough to click through to your website. This could suggest a few things. Your ad copy might not be compelling, your keywords might not be perfectly aligned with what people are searching for, or your ads might be showing to the wrong audience. Identifying and addressing a low CTR can lead to more traffic to your website and potentially more conversions. Conversion rate from lead to sales. This metric is particularly important if your business model involves generating leads, for example, through contact forms or signups, before turning them into paying customers. It measures the percentage of leads that eventually become sales. A low conversion rate from lead to sales could indicate issues with your sales process or the quality of the leads you're generating from your Google Ads campaigns. It helps you understand the effectiveness of your funnel beyond the initial click. By keeping a close eye on these core metrics, you can gain valuable insights into the performance of your Google Ads campaigns. Regularly monitoring and analyzing these numbers will help you make informed decisions to optimize your spending, improve your ad performance, and ultimately achieve your business goals. Remember, these metrics are your guides in the sometimes complex world of online advertising. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.